Hi students, in this session we are going to continue the discussion of basic concepts in coordinate geometry. I have given the link for the previous session in the description box given below. We discussed the concepts of coordinates of a point in the plane and the concept of the coordinates of points on the coordinate axis in that session. So let's move on to this session. So students, with these concepts, let's draw the coordinate system on a plane and plot the following points. So first given point is A minus 4, 4. So these are the coordinate axis. This is the coordinate plane and we have to plot the point A minus 4, 4. So you note first the signs of coordinates of that point. Okay, x coordinate is minus 4 and y coordinate is 4. So the point will be in the second quadrant. Okay, it is in the second quadrant. So its distances from axis are 4, 4. So you draw lines parallel to both the axes at a distance of 4 units. So you see, I have drawn these lines dotted. See the intersection of these two lines. We find this point as intersection of these two lines. So this point represents point A with coordinates minus 4, 4. Okay. Then let's plot the next point. See point T with coordinates 4 minus 3. Here we find that x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So this point lies in the fourth quadrant. With signs you note the position of that point. Okay, so we find here that this point T lies in the fourth quadrant and its distance from y-axis is 4 units and its distance from x-axis is 3 units. So with these distances to locate these coordinates, let us draw some parallel lines. See, its distance from y-axis is 4 units. So you draw one line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4 units. Okay, and its distance from x-axis is 3. So you draw this line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 units from x-axis. So see, these two lines intersect at this point and this point is nothing but point T with coordinates 4 minus 3. Okay, see, you don't have to draw all the time these parallel lines and all this. With practice you will get to know the coordinates easily. Okay, and you can locate the coordinates easily with just observation. You don't have to draw all the time these lines. Okay, I have mentioned this here to understand how to locate the points. Okay, otherwise you don't draw these lines, you just observe the distances and the signs and locate the point easily. Then let's plot all the remaining points on the graph paper. See, point B has coordinates minus 2, 4. So it is in the second quadrant. Point R 0 minus 3. You note that its x coordinate is 0. So it is on the y axis. Point D with coordinates 2, 4. Both the coordinates have positive sign. So point D lies in the first quadrant. Then point Q, its both the coordinates have negative sign. So point Q lies in the third quadrant. Point F 4, 4. So both the coordinates have positive sign. So point F lies in the first quadrant. Then see point S with coordinates 2 minus 3. X coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. So point S lies in the fourth quadrant. See point C with coordinates 0, 4. X coordinate is 0. So you note that point C lies on y axis. Point P with coordinates -4, -3. Both the coordinates have negative sign. So this point P lies in the third quadrant. Then point E with coordinates 3, 4. So both the coordinates have positive sign. So E lies in the first quadrant, and we have plotted already point T. So I have plotted all these points on the graph paper. You practice to plot the points. Okay. So see here, we have all these points. Here point A, B, C, D. This is point E and point F. Here you observe that these points A, B, C, D, E, F are collinear. See, we can easily here observe that these points are collinear. That means we can draw line passing through all these 6 points. So let's draw one line. Okay, passing through all these points, and we find here that the y coordinate of all these points is 4. See, here y coordinate is 4. Here again all the points have y coordinate 4. That means distances of all the points from x axis are 4. All the points are at a same distance from the x-axis. That means this line is parallel to x-axis. And all the points on the line have same y coordinate, and it is 4. So this line is described by the equation y is equal to 4, and here we say that equation of line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 4 units from x-axis above the x-axis is given by y is equal to 4. Okay, this is equation of the line. Then let's see some more plotted points. Okay, see here point P with coordinates -4, -3, point Q -2, -3, point R 0, -3, point S 2, -3, and point T 4, -3. Here you find that these points are collinear. That means they lie on the same line, and their y coordinate is -3. That means all the points have same y coordinate. So their distances from x-axis are same, and therefore again line passing through all these points is parallel to x-axis. And since all the points have same y coordinate -3, so this line is described by the equation y is equal to -3. And here we say that the equation of line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 units below x-axis is y is equal to -3. So in general, the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is in the form y is equal to b. See, this is line L parallel to x-axis. So its equation is y is equal to b. B is any real number. Okay, you note this thing properly. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis is in the form y is equal to b. See, x-axis is parallel to itself. So equation of x-axis, that means x-axis is described by equation y is equal to 0, since all the points on x-axis have y coordinate 0. So x-axis is described by the equation y is equal to 0. So you note that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay. Then students, let's see some more plotted points. Okay. You try to plot these points at your own. Okay. To save time, I have plotted them already. See, points A, B, C, D and E are collinear points. Also, we here observe that their x coordinate is same and it is 2. Okay. That means distance of all these points from y-axis is 2 units. So this line is parallel to y-axis, and since all the points on this line have x coordinates same, so this line is described by the equation x is equal to 2. So here we say that equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units to right of y-axis is x is equal to 2. Then see some more points. Point P, Q, R, S, T, U. Again, all these points are collinear, and here we find that their x coordinate is same and it is -4. So all these points are at a distance of 4 units from y-axis. So this line is parallel to y-axis and it is described by the equation x is equal to -4. See why it is? Since x coordinate of all these points is -4. So here we say that equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4 units to the right to the left of y-axis is given by x is equal to -4. So in general, we say that the equation of a line parallel to y-axis is in the form x is equal to a. See, this is line parallel to y-axis and its equation is in the form x is equal to a. See, y-axis is parallel to itself. So, its equation is given by x is equal to 0, and also we find that x coordinate of all the points on the y-axis is 0. So the equation of y-axis is given by x is equal to 0. So note it properly. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0 and equation of line parallel to y-axis is in the form x is equal to a. So students, you remember all these concepts properly since these are very basic important concepts in coordinate geometry. Students, finally, like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos. Thank you for watching.